Hello and welcome to this short video on the Kupo 9 and 12-foot click stands. The Kupo Click Stands feature an interlocking mechanism that allows you to quickly and easily lock or click two or more stands together for easy storage and transportation. The unique four-way interlocking design allows you to securely click another stand onto any of its four sides. Start by placing one of the triangular hooks located on the base casting underneath a triangular notch located under the opposite side of the base casting of the stand you want to attach it to. To click one stand to the other, simply place one of the triangular notches in the shoulder casting into the corresponding triangular receiver on the other stand. Just push until you hear them click together and you are good to go. To separate the stands, simply press the blue triangle and pull them apart. Each light stand folds flat and will stand by itself on level ground. The center of the stand features an aluminum locking collar and knob. This is not just an ordinary light stand, Kupo fans. Just press the release button and give a little twist and voila! The center column detaches from the legs and now you have a handheld boom pole. To replace a column, insert into the bottom casting and push down to lock it in place. The 9-foot click stand features a two-way baby 5/8" receiver at the top of the center column for mounting your lights, with a removable 1/4 20 3/16 double-sided stud that can be mounted both in a vertical and horizontal configurations. The 12-foot click stand features a welded baby pin. These pro-grade stands are built to last with double leg struts for increased stability and thick-walled center column for improved strength. Unlike cheaper stands that use pop rivets to join the parts together, the click stands use nut and bolt construction that is more durable and can be easily maintained by the user. Each of the brake castings is die-cast metal for increased strength and durability. Internally, there is a sizable brake that pushes against the riser sections to assure positive locking. The die-cast metal knobs feature a stainless steel bolt and helicoil inserts for years of maintenance-free use and increased durability. Whether you use your click stand as a traditional light stand or to boom your lights by hand when you want to stay agile, this one clever solution gets it done. Need your hands free for something important like checking out the latest Kupo videos online? Kupo makes an optional shoulder strap that makes it easy for you to go mobile with your phone and coffee in hand. Now that's what I call multitasking. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo, we like to say, never let go.